making turkey stew. Let's go to Sandal's kitchen how to make turkey stew. Cutting into pieces for the stew. Cutting the turkey pieces to make stew. Getting ready to wash the turkey meat with lemon juice. Little turmeric powder to wash the turkey. Turkey, 2 pieces ready to wash. Washing the turkey meat. Make it like wash it for 5 times, let all the dirt come out. Turkey is cleaned and washed, ready to cook. Ready to cook. For the recipe, go to Sandler's Kitchen on YouTube how to make turkey stew. Adding 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm going to use pressure cooker to make turkey stew. Adding 2 tablespoons of mustard seed. Adding onion, 1 onion, yellow onion, sliced. Adding 3 jalapeno pepper sliced. Two tablespoons of ginger garlic minced. Adding 2 sliced tomatoes. To 1 tablespoon of turmeric. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything together. Let it cook. Adding garam masala. Adding salt to taste. Ready to add meat, turkey meat. Slowly. Mix the meat together. Make sure all the meat is mixed with the masala. Final mix with all the meat, turkey meat. Turn the heat to the high heat and close it, let it cook. Adding the wheat. Turning off the stove. It's cooked. Let it sit for until the pressure is gone. It's all cooked. The pressure cooker is off. It's cooled down. I'm taking the turkey out. Look at this. Everything is cooked. I'm going to transfer and make a little more. I'm going to add a little more ingredients in that one. Yummy, yummy. Adding the turkey stew to another patram, another pot. Adding cilantro. And let it cook like 2-3 minutes and ready to eat. Turkey stew is ready. It's good to eat rice, chapati, roti, naan. You can eat with anything. Turkey stew. It's ready to eat. That is cooked. Turkey stew. Turkey stew. For the recipe, go to Sanley's Kitchen on YouTube. How to make Sanley's turkey stew. Look at this. Take a piece. Guys, turkey meat. Smells so good. Bang bang.